Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today I'm going to be trying out the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. So supposedly this is a really great mascara. It's super affordable. You can get it at Ulta for $4.99. I'm going to read you what the Ulta website says. It says, sculpt your lashes to perfection with the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. With a special shaped sculpting brush, you can easily build up volume and bring out your most stunning and individual lash look. Due to the creamy black texture, you can create the lash style you love, ranging from a highly dramatic look to an ultimate fanned out and extremely defined look. All right, I'm excited to try this out. Let's do it. So usually I can tell, like literally applying a first coat of mascara, whether or not I'm gonna like it. And I really think I'm gonna like this mascara. So my final thoughts on this mascara. I do really like it. I think that it is a messy mascara. It says it has a creamy formula, and that's definitely true. You have to take your time with it. I think this mascara will look amazing on anyone that has longer lashes than me. My lashes aren't too long, so you probably have longer lashes than me. But yeah, I really like it. I tried to curl my lashes after I applied it, but I think I kind of made a mistake. I think I was just better off leaving them as they were, because now they're kind of clumpy and I don't know, like this eye kind of looks funny. But I do like this mascara. I think it is totally worth $5. I'm super happy that I purchased it. Next time I use it, I'm going to be more careful and less rushed. As you can see, I've got children waiting on me. Okay, that is it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.